Hi viewers, my name is Donald Duck, and in this video we are going to see how we can download fonts and how to use it. Open any browser you have and go to www.1001fonts.com. Here are lots of fonts, so try to find which suits you for your work. I am just going to download any random font for this video tutorial, and I forgot to mention I have placed link in the description of this website. Source adobe I think I should download. Click on download button. Now open the file. Click the install button for permanent install this font on Windows. After installation, close it and we are ready to use this font. Close this as well. Open Start menu and type Paint and hit Enter. I have no editing software like Adobe etc., so I will use on Paint. Search for the font which we have installed. Its name was Susur, I guess. After selecting the font, type any text to see the results. It's now working perfectly. I hope you will like the video, so don't forget to subscribe the channel Zombie, and feel free to ask any question in the comment section below this video, and I will see you in the next video.